What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So guys, I've been hearing a lot of buzz about this certain colorant that everybody's been making baits. It's been a big buzz going on in the bait community. So I decided to get myself a bottle of the itMolds mortar oil, guys. I see everybody using the MF manufacturing oil. I see Lure Works, I see Lure Craft, they all been doing that one, but I ain't never seen nobody use the itMolds yet. The itMolds mortar oil, guys. So we're gonna go in the bait laboratory and we're gonna go out there and we're gonna see what kind of baits we can make today, guys. And guys, I also want to thank all of you guys that have been subscribing to the channel, guys. I want to say thank you for all the support and everything you guys done, and enjoying my videos, commenting on the videos, watching my videos. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Just remember, this is not my channel, this is your channel, guys. And like that, let's go into the bait laboratory and let's see what kind of baits we can make today, guys. And let's do a giveaway on this video too. I haven't done a giveaway in a while, so whatever baits I make today, one of you is gonna win at least a couple of them. So let's get to making some baits. All right, guys, in the meantime, while that plastic is cooking, I always do make sure to oil your injector with worm oil. That's what I do with mine. Just put a little dab here, little dab there, another dab back here, and just a little bit right here. Then grab your finger, rub it all around, and just move it around until it's good to go. It's a little bit cold in here today. There it goes. And also on this part of the injector. And that's it. So now we wait for the plastic to be ready and put our mortar oil in there. I want to see what kind of mortar oil this is. Alright, guys, the plastic's ready. It's all melted, ready to go. We got our worm blend. It says mortar oil. Mortar oil right here from itMolds. We're gonna see what kind of mortar oil is this. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna start with 10 drops. Oh, look at that. It kind of has like a little amber color to it. I like it. It has a little sheet of green. I don't know if you guys can get on there. It has kind of like a little sheen to green. Not a lot. But look at that. My. They put like 2 more drops. Oh, that was more than 2 drops. That should be enough. Alright, let's get. Alright, we're gonna get our black from Lure Works, 0.15, and we're gonna get our other black flake, our bigger size. I don't have the number for that one, but that should be enough right there. Look at that magic. You know what's the best part, guys? When you mix it. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Look at that, guys. I like this mortar oil, it looks good. Starting to cool out, so we're gonna put it back in the microwave and heat it up, and we're gonna be ready to shoot it when it comes back out. Alright, we're getting ready to shoot this. Alright, we're gonna put the plastic in here. Oh my. Let's hope it goes all the way across, because I have issues with this mold. Looks good. Let's hope it comes out good. There you go. Alright guys, let's open this mold. Like I said, I always have issues with this mold. This is supposed to be a rivet worm, but for some reason, if it's too cold, and it's not enough hot, this mold will not shoot all the way across. Because it goes, you shoot here, if it goes one rivet worm all the way across, you shoot one wiener, and it goes all the way across this way. So I kind of have an issue with it almost all the time. As you guys can see, they didn't shoot good at all. This one did alright, but this one didn't. Other than that, I like the color. It's like a little amber color to it. We're going to give it another try. Need to get these perfect. The good thing about plastic, you can always remelt it. Plus, you might not have a good shot because it's cold in here. It's in the middle of winter. So, go for round two. Hold pressure a little bit, and hopefully it goes all the way across this time. Always make sure to top them off and put your excess back into the cup. So, we'll be right back. All right. Let's see what round 2 gives us. There we go. Now we got the worms. Well, this one is good. This one's not. So hey, at least we got one done. Now we got 9 more to go. But I am digging this color and I am digging the flake, how it looks. Look at that. If this thing focuses. Beautiful colors, guys. Beautiful motor oil. Looks like a clean motor oil, like when you put a brand new motor oil in your car. That's how beautiful it looks. What's up, guys? I'm finally done with the curly tail worms, the motor oil color ones. As you guys can see, better lighting over here. But it took me a while, guys, not gonna lie. Had to do these out of recording because it was taking me forever. I don't know what was going wrong, but what I noticed with these itMolds, the hotter they get, the better they are when you're... The hotter they get, guys, it seems like they work better and you're able to do a straight shot. I got it extremely hot. I had to put it in my oven, and that seemed to help me do better shots, better. I don't know if it's because of the rivets, or I don't know if it's when it goes in, it's not going in well, but it seems like it'll go all the way in and it normally stops here. So I just had to put so much pressure in them to finally got them to shoot all the way through. So maybe it's just because it's cold in here, guys. Anyways, guys, let's shoot some grubs. Let's see how good they come out with the motor oil. I'm pretty sure they'll look a little bit better than this because this is aluminum and this is casting. This is a cast mode, that's an aluminum mode. So CNC aluminum mode. So for people that don't know, there's a difference. You see how that one is not that shiny? In this one, it's very shiny. So there is a difference. For a lot of guys getting started into the hobby, this is a higher price mode. This one is probably like $20 to $30 mode. These ones you can cost up to, they range from, this one's I think over like 100, and I think these ones I think they range from like from 20 to like $50-$60 only. So I like aluminum casting mode. I like aluminum molds, and I like casting. It just depends what I'm doing that day or what kind of crawl that there's in there that I kind of get interested in. But I do use both, guys. I use both. So this is the 7-inch ribbon worm. If you guys are interested, there is the item number, and itMolds makes this one, and Angling AI makes this one. So not sponsored by neither one of them, but I do like using their modes, guys. So let's shoot a couple grubs and let's see how good they come out. All right, guys, let's get this. You see that right there? That's a piece of plastic that was burning in here. I don't even know why. Everything else looks good in here. I don't know. Weird. Anyways, let's shoot some grubs. Make sure this is in the frame. Oh, Come on, bashing Mike. Come on. I think this is good. I think these grubs are gonna come out good. That shot felt good. I've been heating up the mold inside my oven, just because it's cold out here and it's a lot of moisture that these molds get. So it's better to have it at least a little bit warm. Put this in the microwave for now. Let's give it 15 seconds. So yeah, so there's a grub mold right there. You're gonna wait for that to be set, and we'll open it up right now. All right. Let's open this mold. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. You can on this one you can actually see the mortar oil goes from dark brown to yellowish. This is a beautiful color for motor oil. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my god, these fish are gonna bite this, and one of you is gonna take a pack of these home, guys. You gotta wait for the details at the end of the video, but look at that. Look at those. Which ones you like better? Did you guys like the grubs better, or did you guys like the curly tail ones? I kind of like the grubs better. I really like the grubs, actually. Look at that. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode of mortar oil, the itMolds mortar oil, because I haven't seen nobody do it. So I figure, hey, let me give myself a little bottle and let me try this out. I want to see what everybody's talking about. I never done it. I just wanted to try it. I want to see if I like it. You know what? I really like it. So guys, so you can be entered into this giveaway. You gotta do is comment below, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and that's it. And also make sure to subscribe, guys. I would like you guys to help me get to 500 subscribers, if we're not by 500 subscribers by now. Anyways guys, I will announce the winner of the giveaway on the next video. So good luck to every single one of you, and you guys have a chance to choose. Do you want the grubs or you want the curly tail worms? So whoever wins gets a chance to choose between both, or if you want 5 and 5, just that's all you gotta let me know. So I will see you guys on the next video. So enjoy the rest of your day, weekend, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next week.